Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. And for now, we'll show you how to install Google Analytics to Shopify. So first things first, go ahead and open the Google Analytics webpage on your favorite web browser. Make sure you also have a Google account signed in. On the left-hand side, select Settings. Once you've opened the settings list, select Create Property. In the property creation, put in your property name, select Next. You can even see advanced options to create a universal analytics property. See, Google Analytics will ask for your website URL. So go to your Shopify dashboard, select Themes, and you can see that you have your URL right after HTTPS. Take this URL and copy it into the Universal Analytics property page. Once you've verified it's the correct URL, select Next. Go ahead and describe the nature of your Shopify business. Choose your bonus objectives. You want to choose Generate Leads. You can even see web stream details for the analytics for your Shopify site. You can even install a Google tag. You can do it with a web builder or even do it manually if you had the know-how to. For the purposes of this video, let's install the Google tag manually. Select Install Manually. You can find the Google tag code listed below and copy that. Go back to your Shopify web dashboard, select Edit Code, and you can see that there is a lot of different code files that you can do to edit your Shopify HTML code. On the left-hand side, select theme.liquid. And go ahead and copy the Google tag code underneath the line that says head. Once you've copied that code, make sure to save, and there you go. You now have Google Analytics for your Shopify webpage. If you learned something new in this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy and quick tutorial content. Thanks for watching, more to follow.